What is the fuel regulator and how does it work? The gasoline regulator in a car is a key component of the fuel injection system that is responsible for controlling and regulating the flow of gasoline to the injectors. Its main function is to maintain the proper gasoline pressure in the system, regardless of variations in engine load and operating conditions. This ensures that the engine receives the correct amount of fuel required for optimal operation. The primary function of the fuel regulator in a car is to maintain the correct fuel pressure and provide the proper amount of gasoline to the engine at all times. This ensures optimum combustion and efficient engine performance. In addition, the regulator also helps prevent problems such as the formation of vapor bubbles in the fuel system, which could result in engine malfunction. The operation of the fuel regulator is relatively simple. It consists of a valve that is located between the fuel supply system and the injector rail. The regulator is equipped with a spring and a flexible membrane that acts as a function of fuel pressure. When the engine is idling, fuel pressure is low and the spring pushes the diaphragm down, allowing fuel to flow freely through the governor and into the injector rail. As the demand for fuel increases, the pressure in the system increases as well. This puts pressure on the diaphragm and forces the throttle partially closed, thus limiting the flow of fuel to the injector rail. In this way, the fuel regulator controls and stabilizes fuel pressure as engine operating conditions vary. In addition to its primary role of regulating fuel pressure, the fuel regulator also performs other important functions in a car's fuel injection system. These include: 1. Maintain constant pressure. The fuel regulator automatically adjusts the fuel pressure as operating conditions change to ensure that the pressure is maintained at the optimum level. This is essential for optimum engine performance and efficiency. 2. Fuel injection system protection. The fuel regulator also acts as a protection barrier for the fuel injection system. It controls the pressure and prevents it from exceeding the limits, which could damage the injection system or cause fuel leaks. 3. Fuel mixture stability. By regulating fuel pressure, the regulator ensures a proper and stable fuel mixture in all cylinders of the engine. This contributes to a smooth and balanced operation of the engine, as well as a reduction in polluting emissions. 4. Altitude change compensation. The fuel regulator is also capable of compensating for altitude changes. As the car travels to different altitudes, the atmospheric pressure changes and therefore the amount of oxygen available in the air. The regulator adjusts fuel pressure to ensure proper fuel mixture, thus ensuring optimum engine performance regardless of altitude. It is important to mention that fuel regulators can vary in design depending on the type of fuel injection system used in the car. Some vehicles may have mechanical governors, while others may use electronic governors. However, they all serve the same basic function of regulating fuel pressure and ensuring optimum engine performance.